Hey guys, how are you doing? If you're new to iPhone and while receiving an incoming call, you notice that the ringer volume automatically lowers its overall volume level, or the ringer volume completely stops when you pick it up to attend the call. If you want to keep on hearing the ringer volume and you don't want the ringtone to be stopped or volume getting reduced, then all you have to do is navigate inside the settings app, scroll down a little bit till you access the Face ID and passcode. Then you need to enter the device iPhone passcode to authenticate and access the Face ID and passcode settings. Scroll down a little bit and you can access the attention aware features. You need to turn this toggle off. What this feature does is when you pick up the iPhone while receiving an incoming call, it checks whether the Face ID is locked or unlocked. So if you are the one picking up the iPhone, that you have the Face ID details registered on your iPhone, then automatically it performs certain attention aware features. One of that is reducing the volume level of the ringtone so that the ringer volume won't be a disturbing or annoying thing for some users. If the ringtone is not bothering you and you are used to hearing the full ringtone till you attend the call, and you're okay with cutting the ringtone by pressing the volume button once or the side power button once, you can turn this feature off to prevent such volume lowering or ringtone volume completely stopped while picking up the iPhone to attend the call. So this simple settings change will help you to prevent such problem. One more important tip is, like, if you're pressing the side power button and the call immediately goes disconnected even while you are attending the call, then it is a different setting that you need to change to control that. Navigate inside the settings, then go into the accessibility and scroll down to access the touch, and scroll down a little bit to enable the toggle prevent lock to end call. By default this will be off, so if you want to prevent the lock button, when you press the lock button or the side button or the power button during the phone call, and if you accidentally press it or you want to lock the screen but the call goes disconnected, then you need to turn this toggle on to prevent such things from happening. With iOS 26, there is a bug that is resulting in the attention aware feature to not work properly. Like, when you receive an incoming call, if you pick up the iPhone, and you will still be hearing the volume at full level. You cannot control it right now because it is due to the bug in iOS 26. I have sent feedback several times during the beta testing with iOS 26.1, 26.2 versions, and right now I'm in iOS 26.3 beta version. I have also recently sent a feedback and Apple is still not fixing the issue. So if you want the volume to be lowered, you need to wait for some more time till the attention aware feature normally works, so that when the incoming call received, the ringer volume will automatically be reduced to attend the phone call. So I hope this video gave you a clarity about how these features work, and if you're new to iPhone, don't forget to check out our free expense tracker application. You can track all your expenses, you can add your income, you can add limited number of subscriptions, and you can also track your loans, EMIs and dues, everything in one simple app. I leave a link to this app in the description and in the first pinned comment. It's called Spensio and it is now available in the App Store for both iPhone and iPad. There are more improvements, bug fixes and fine tunings keep on happening with this app. Try this one, and the in-app purchase, the pro features are very affordable for monthly and yearly basis. If you're planning to go for pro to unlock all the pro level features, you may like this app. It also has some AI features that you can find it useful. Thank you so much for watching. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.